In this session, we'll try to understand the most commonly used terminologies in IT industry. That is application, project, product, software. So these four terminologies we interchangeably use in a lot of situations. So there are no much differences because they are commonly used across industries. So it is very essential for a beginner to know what are these terminologies or when we can refer to application or when we can refer to a project or a product or a software, right? So first we'll understand application. Application is in short referred to an app, right? We generally use like, hey, we're using this app, and the app could be a mobile based application or a desktop application or a web application, an enterprise application or a cloud application. So we have a lot of different types of applications. So what is an application? Application is a set of programs that are designed to perform specific tasks or functionalities to end users. So applications could be simple or complex depending upon the complexity, functionality, and purpose. We use a lot of applications in our day-to-day life. Example, some desktop applications which run within a local machine, right? So could be Notepad or a Word document or a video editing software or an antivirus system. So these are called desktop applications. And we use web applications like, emailing services, banking services, online reservation systems, social media platforms, etc. Now let us understand what is a product. Product generally refers to a software or a hardware item that is developed, sold, and maintained by a commercial entity. So it can be an application or a suite of applications or maybe a physical device like computer or mic or a networking device. So products are typically created to address the specific needs of the market and are often the part of a company's portfolio. A laptop like Lenovo uses their own laptops. A Mac owns its own, MacBooks. So like that, a product always will be owned as an entity. So usually we refer that, hey, we're working for a product-based company. What do you mean by a product-based company? So we generally refer MANG companies, right? So now Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. So these are called, top product-based companies. So what do? They produce products. So product might not be a hardware device or it could be a software application. So whatever the products that are the portfolio of a Google, like you're using Gmail or you're using YouTube or any other Google Cloud products. So basically they'll be referred as company's products. That can be used as an application by end user, but they're often referred as a company's products. Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together. Next is a project. So what do you mean by a project? So we usually refer IT projects, right? What is a project? So projects involves the different kinds of steps to build a unique product or a software or an application, right? So we call the service-based companies. So service-based companies are typically build products for other companies. IT projects typically can involve in developing new softwares or updating an existing software or developing a new infrastructure. So typically IT companies follow a proper project management structure for building these projects, like agile methodologies or SDLC processes in order to build these projects. So next is software. Software is basically a general term that gives, it is a set of programs or instructions that we give to the computer to perform a particular task. Like if you take any product or when you're using an application, so typically internally it will contain instructions that will give to your computer to perform a task. So software is that, typically it could be an operating system or it could be a device driver or could be a script that gives some instructions to the computer to perform a particular task. So if you can look at all these four are interchangeably used, but there are certainly slight differences between using these terminologies. So as a beginner, it is very essential to understand how these terminologies are used or what is the actual purpose of using these particular, terminologies in IT industry.